How to create Instagram highlights without name. Here is the quickest way to make your highlights name invisible. At first, open your web browser. In the search bar, type empty character. Open one of the websites that provide empty characters. Scroll down a little. To copy the empty character, tap on the copy to clipboard. Now switch back to your Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon. In the highlights section, tap on the plus icon. Select the image you want to add highlights. Tap next. In the name box, tap and hold, then paste the empty character. Then tap done. That's it. Your highlight is now published without a name.